In this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about starting, growing, and running an affiliate marketing business in 2025. We'll cover how you can potentially earn up to $10,000 per month with minimal effort and time commitment. This is going to be a comprehensive tutorial where I'll share the exact steps I would take if I were to begin from scratch today. We'll divide the video into several sections to make it easier to follow. I highly recommend grabbing a pen and some paper to jot down notes along the way, since all the information here is completely free. Here's what we'll cover: setting expectations and goals for affiliate marketing, why it's one of the top business opportunities this year, and startup costs. This business can be started with as little as $100 per month or less, which makes it accessible to virtually anyone, anywhere in the world. And understanding affiliate marketing. I'll explain what it is and how it works. Choosing a niche, how to pick a category and create content around it. And building your affiliate brand. I'll teach you how to go beyond just posting content and actually establish a recognizable brand. We'll even look at case studies of affiliate businesses worth millions. And creating a blog and website. The importance of having an online presence. Finding affiliate products. We'll explore affiliate programs and platforms. And driving traffic to your content, whether through free or paid methods, social media, blogs, or platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, and TikTok. I'll show you how to attract an audience and get conversions. Optimizing content for growth. Learn how to increase your revenue while building a business that can run passively without demanding all your time. Before diving deep, let's clarify the basics of affiliate marketing. At its core, affiliate marketing is promoting products or services from other companies in exchange for a commission. For example, if you're an affiliate for Nike, you could create a blog or social media post about the best running shoes they offer. When someone clicks on your specific affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a percentage of that sale. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it's straightforward and doesn't require you to manage inventory or handle customer service. You simply direct potential customers to businesses and earn a commission for each successful referral. Best of all, startup costs are low, less than $100 per month in most cases, making it accessible to everyone. Affiliate marketing also has limitless potential when it comes to earning. Whether you're looking to earn an extra $500 a month or scale to tens of millions of dollars, it all depends on your dedication and strategy. To illustrate this, let's look at a few examples. 1. The Points Guy. This credit card-focused affiliate blog earned millions by promoting financial products and was sold for over $10 million. 2. The Penny Hoarder. This personal finance site generated $50 million annually and sold for $102 million. 3. Dave Ramsey. While known for his personal finance expertise, a significant portion of his revenue comes from affiliate marketing, amounting to hundreds of millions annually. While it's possible to earn big, many people fail because they give up too soon. If you're consistent and focus on creating quality content, a realistic goal for your first year is to earn a few $1,000s per month. This won't happen overnight. It's a gradual process that grows as you gain experience and refine your approach. Now let's discuss how to choose a niche. Finding the right niche is crucial for long-term success. My advice is to focus on something you're knowledgeable about or passionate about. It's much easier to stay motivated when you're working on a topic you genuinely enjoy. For example, if you're passionate about kite flying, surfing, or pottery, those could become the foundation of your affiliate brand. Write down 5 to 10 topics you love talking about and use that as your starting point. If you're unsure, here are some profitable niches to consider. Personal finance. Promoting products like banking apps or investment platforms can yield commissions between $30 and $150 per customer. Health and nutrition. Supplements often come with high commission rates, especially for premium products. And pets. The pet industry is booming, and people are always looking for products for their furry friends. And home and garden. Items like lawn mowers or gardening tools often have high price points, making them great for commissions. And fashion. If you're into clothing and share outfits on social media, you can monetize your content by linking to the products you showcase. These are just a few ideas, but the possibilities are endless. The key is to stick with something that excites you and aligns with your interests. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the specifics of building your affiliate brand, creating content, driving traffic, and optimizing your business for success. In this section, we're discussing how to build your company and brand. Specifically, we'll explore how to structure and grow your affiliate marketing business effectively. To succeed in affiliate marketing, it's essential to create a solid media company rather than just posting affiliate links everywhere. I've seen people get custom affiliate links from brands like Nike or others and then spam them across comment sections, forums, and random platforms. This approach won't lead to a sustainable or passive income. The proper way to build a successful affiliate marketing business is to start with a blog. From there, you can expand your presence by creating social media accounts on various platforms. The ultimate goal is to direct traffic from these social media platforms back to your blog. The blog becomes your main money-making hub. If there's one takeaway from this video, it's this. Focus on establishing a media company anchored by a blog, complemented by traffic from all your social platforms. Blogs are still incredibly profitable in 2025 and beyond. People are often surprised when I tell them that blogs remain cash cows, generating significant revenue. While blogs may feel outdated, they're still highly effective if done correctly. For example, blogs in our portfolio generate excellent income because they rank for competitive search terms on Google. If someone searches for how to invest in stock market and our blog appears at the top of the search results, we can promote affiliate products through those articles, generating substantial revenue. Now let's break down how to set this up properly. The first step is creating a website, which will serve as the foundation of your affiliate business. Many affiliate programs require you to have an established media brand or affiliate website before approving your application. Many people watch videos like this but never actually start their affiliate marketing journey. This is your opportunity to get started. Don't just watch another video. Take action and begin building your affiliate marketing business today. Next, I'll guide you through the process of earning money as an affiliate marketer. Using Pinterest, a platform that's often overlooked but incredibly powerful for this purpose. I'll walk you through 6 or 7 key steps, sharing actionable strategies, the best affiliate programs, and practical tips you can use to succeed on Pinterest. Let's dive in. While many marketers focus on Instagram, blogs, or other platforms, Pinterest is a hidden gem that deserves attention in 2025. The platform boasts over 500 million active users each month. For context, that's more than the entire U.S. population and roughly 1/16 of the global population. Despite these impressive numbers, many marketers undervalue Pinterest's potential, opting instead for more traditional platforms. What's even more interesting is Pinterest's audience demographics. The platform leans heavily toward female users, which opens up a wealth of niche opportunities. Later in this video, I'll show you how to leverage this demographic data to your advantage. Step 1. Selecting your niche on Pinterest. When most people think of Pinterest, they immediately associate it with categories like fashion, home decor, or cooking. While these are fantastic niches with great potential, they can also be quite competitive. The key is to find a niche that aligns with your interests while also catering to Pinterest's predominantly female audience. Stay tuned as I break down how to find the right niche for you, source affiliate products, and set yourself up for long-term success. Many people on Pinterest post about popular categories like fashion or apparel. While these have large audiences, they're also competitive. Instead, focus on smaller niches with passionate audiences. For example, I set up a Pinterest account targeting gardening because I love it and have experience. Setting up your Pinterest account. 1. Create a Pinterest business account for access to analytics and tools. Use your brand name and link to your website. 2. Design a logo and banner using Canva, free or paid. Canva also offers templates for Pinterest pins and boards. 3. Claim social media handles, Instagram, Twitter, etc., matching your brand name. Content creation. Start by creating boards with specific themes, such as vegetable gardening tips or best gardening tools. Each board should have 20-30 pins. Use Canva to design pins with clear titles, engaging visuals, and keywords. For example, create a pin titled Top 5 Tomato Varieties featuring relevant images. Include a well-written description and keyword-rich title for each pin to improve discoverability. And link pins to your blog or affiliate product pages. Use services like Linktree if needed. And avoid overposting initially to prevent spam flags on Pinterest. Build gradually. Scaling and long-term strategy. Affiliate marketing on Pinterest takes time, but can become a reliable income source. Once you gain traction, consider outsourcing pin creation to save time. Consistency and patience are critical. By building a solid brand, leveraging affiliate programs, and creating high-quality content, you can grow your audience and revenue over time. In summary, affiliate marketing offers an incredible opportunity to build a low-cost, scalable business. Whether you're aiming to earn a side income or build a multi-million-dollar empire, the path is yours to define. I will leave some useful resources below in the description if you want to check out some of the resources. I hope you found some value in it, and I'll see everybody in a future video.